Hi everybody, this is David, and this is the homework overview for week 3. Here's a Blackboard. Sorry about last week. I didn't know how to do this, where I do the assignments. Somebody did it for me the first week, and I tried my best to figure it out, and I couldn't. But anyway, this week I figured it out, so you'll be able to upload assignments via Blackboard again. You have a weekly journal this week. I'm going to ask you to describe the process of interpreting a letter as I describe it. You're going to have to watch the video lectures first, and then, as you go through it, think about how you would describe it back to me. And of course, you're only writing 500 to 750 words. But basically, I want to make sure you understand the lectures. And so this is my way of assessing that you know what I'm talking about, or you understand what I'm talking about. Now, as far as the weekly worksheet, obviously you got to watch all the video lectures. There's 6 of them, which I think it ends up being just under an hour of lecture. I'm going to warn you, the lecture is pretty intense. I go through it kind of fast. You're going to have to read 1 Timothy chapter 1 and be real familiar with it to be able to keep up with the lecture. And then, if you're struggling with it, please, obviously I have no feedback if you don't email me or call me or text me and let me know that the lectures aren't working out. But give me feedback if you think the lecture is a little too fast and I'm not covering information well. Now, here's the homework assignment. So, once you're familiar with 1 Timothy chapter 1, watch the videos. I described to you the process of interpretation, and what I want you to do is take what I tell you what to do in those videos and then do it for 1 Timothy chapters 1 through 4. It's going to be quite a bit of work. I don't recommend that you do this last minute. It is going to be time consuming. That's why I don't have you doing a lot of reading or a lot of other assignments. So take time, do it right. Now what I'm asking you to do is to submit one Word document, but include your work at the various stages. And this is what I mean by that. Once you watch the videos, this will make more sense. But essentially your homework assignment is going to be to outline 1 Timothy chapters 1 through 4. You're going to outline them all. But as you watch the videos, I'm going to talk about doing it in steps. So the first step is going to be a real basic bullet point outline. I mean, it'll look something like, here, I'll just show you on the screen here. But something like that, like there's not going to be any sub points or anything like that. It's just going to be a long list of stuff. And then you're going to refine it. The next thing you're going to do is move things around and create headings and stuff like that. And then your outline is going to get more and more complicated. Well, I want you at each step, I want to see your work at each step. So when you submit your homework assignment, you're going to submit 3 outlines. You're going to submit your outline when it looked like after the first time you did it, when it's just this bullet list. Then I want you, after you refine your outline, you'll see the videos. I'm going to ask you to compare your outline to commentaries and maybe adjust your outline a little bit. So then copy and paste that and add that in addition to your first outline so I can see what changes you made. And then I'm going to ask, the third step is to take another really careful examination. You'll see the video explaining what to do. You're really going to refine your outline even more. And so I want you to copy and paste that and add that so that when you submit your homework assignment, I can see what you started off, where you were in the middle of your assignment, and then finally the final product. So I want to be able to see your work here. Under refine your outline, you're going to be comparing your outline to at least 2 commentaries. I want you to tell me what 2 commentaries you're using. So anyway, I'll make that clear on Blackboard. But I do want you to compare the outline that you're working with to 2 commentary outlines, and I want to be able to see that you're interacting with other authors. Good. I think that's all I have to say. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, see you guys.